Many factories still run on manual processes but want to move to AI to make work easier. The truth is, AI can only work when operations are digitized first. That's where DForce comes in, starting with the basics of digitization and then enabling AI-driven improvement. Factories today are moving fast, but most are still held back by old problems. Disconnected systems, mountains of paperwork, wasted data, and zero real-time visibility. The result? Delays, inefficiencies, and profits silently draining away. That's why we built DForce, the unified, no-code platform that transforms your factory without disrupting what already works. DForce connects machines, materials, manpower, and methods into one command center. From real-time digital twins to computer vision for safer floors and automated ESG reporting. Everything your factory needs in one place. The result? Instant visibility, fewer errors, faster decisions, stronger compliance, and a greener, more sustainable shop floor. No more months of waiting for ROI. With DForce, impact is immediate.